So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to build your own YouTube Strategist AI Agent using N8N. It studies your competitors to see what's working in your niche, scans YouTube weekly to track upcoming trends, and analyzes your channel daily to understand what your audience want to watch next. So instead of wasting hours researching or second-guessing video ideas, you can just open your Google Sheet, pick a topic, and start creating. Once you set it up, it'll automate your content research, audience analysis, and idea generation all on autopilot. I'm Brand from Website Learners, and let's get started. Now, to get this automation, first we need to get the N8N hosting. N8N is an automation tool that lets you connect different apps and services to automate tasks. I'm going to use Hostinger to host N8N. Hostinger provides reliable hosting and an easy setup for running N8N. To get the hosting, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. Scroll down and you will find different plans available in Hostinger. The basic plan is perfect for simple workflows. The standard plan offers more power for moderate users. The advanced plans are suitable for larger, more complex N8N workflows with better performance. You can choose the plan based on your needs. I'm going to select this plan. Then click here and choose how long you want the hosting for. If you use this coupon, you will get additional 20% discount on your purchase. Just enter the code and click apply. And you can see the discounted price here. Now let's complete the payment. And as you can see, we have now got the N8N hosting. So this means we can now set up the YouTube Strategist workflow. So to set it up, click on Manage App, fill in these details, and click Next. Here enter your email address and click on Send to request a free license key. This will be used to access N8N's paid features for free. So let's go to our email box and you can see that we've got an email here. Let's open it and click Activate License Key. This will link N8N to your account and unlock all your features. So now we have successfully set up N8N, and to download the template, just click the link in the description. And I have already prepared the workflow and kept it ready in this JSON file, which you can download for free. Just click here and it will be downloaded to your computer. Once you download the workflow, next we need to import it into N8N. So let's go back to this tab and click on Create Workflow. Now click here and click on Import from File. And finally, just select and import your JSON file. Now let's see a quick overview of how this entire workflow works. As you can see, the workflow is divided into 5 different phases. Each phase has a very specific purpose, and together they work like a complete YouTube strategist that runs automatically in the background. Let's start with phase 1, Niche Outliers. This phase is used to find top performing videos of your competitors and analyze them. So for example, if you create content related to AI tools, you can paste 3 competitor YouTube channel links that are already doing well in your niche. The workflow will then look at their top performing videos from the last 6 months and break them down for you. It will analyze the titles to find power words that get clicks and study the thumbnails to see what makes people open those videos. This helps you understand what's already proven to work in your niche. Next is phase 2, Broad Weekly Insights. This phase runs once a week and looks at the bigger picture. So instead of focusing on specific niches like AI tools or automations, we zoom out to a much broader space. For example, overall tech content. The workflow scans YouTube for popular videos from the past week in that broader niche and analyzes their titles and thumbnails. Now, the remaining 3 phases are all connected and they focus entirely on your own YouTube channel. The phase 3 is called Niche Insights. It runs daily and focuses only on your targeted niche like AI tools, N8N automations, etc. Every day the workflow scans YouTube to find videos in this exact niche that are performing really well right now. It analyzes their titles and thumbnails to show which topics are currently taking off. The phase 4 is Comment Analysis. Here the workflow pulls comments from your 5 most recent uploads, understands what your audience is saying, and tells you what viewers like, what they don't like, and what they're expecting from your content. Finally, in phase 5, Ideation, everything comes together. Our AI agent uses daily niche trends from phase 3 and audience feedback from phase 4 and generates 3 new video ideas every day. Along with each idea, you also get suggested titles and thumbnail concepts, so you know exactly how to turn those ideas into high-click videos. Alright, so this is how our YouTube Strategist AI agent functions, and now that you understand how our agent works, let's move on to set up the nodes and connect the required API services to make it functional. So to set up the nodes, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to connect OpenAI to N8N. OpenAI is used to analyze the collected YouTube data and turn it into clear insights, video ideas, titles, and thumbnail suggestions. So to connect OpenAI to N8N, open this node, click here and select Create New Credentials. This is where we need to enter the API key. To get the API key, click the link given in the description. Now click here and sign in with your Google account. Now go to API keys, click a Create New Secret Key. Here give it a name and click Create. As you can see, we now have our API key, but keep in mind you'll only be able to get an API key from OpenAI if you've added a payment method first. Now let's copy this key, go back to N8N, paste it here and click Save. Great, we have now successfully connected OpenAI to N8N. Now let's move on to the second step, which is to connect Google Sheets to N8N. Google Sheets is used to store and organize all the collected insights, trends, and the video ideas in one single place for easy access and tracking. So to connect Google Sheets to N8N, open this node, click here, and select Create New Credentials. Here we need to add the API key. To get the API key, click the link in the description, and it will take you to Google Cloud Console. Now what we're essentially doing here is creating a secure bridge between Google and N8N so that they can talk to each other. Think of it like giving N8N a special pass to access your Google Sheets. Let's set that up step by step. Now let's click here to agree to the terms of service. Then click on Select Project. Click New Project and give it a name. Let's say N8N Agent and click Create. Once it's created, open the project drop-down again and select our new N8N Agent project. This project is basically a container inside Google that holds all the permissions and settings we're about to create. It keeps everything organized. Now click here, go to APIs and Services, and select OAuth Consent screen. Now click Get Started. Here enter a name. I'll enter N8N Agent. Here select your email address. Click Next. For the audience type, select External. Click Next again. Enter here your email address again. Here check the box to agree to the user data policy and click Continue. And finally, let's click Create. Alright, so what we just did is tell Google, hey, there's an app called N8N Agent that wants permission to access some of our Google services. Now we need to create the actual login credentials, kind of like a username and password that N8N will use to connect. Now click Create Auth Client. Click here and select Web Application. Here enter a name. I'll name this N8N Agent and click Add URL. Here we need to add an URL which we get from N8N. Go back to N8N. Copy this URL by clicking here. Come back to this tab. Paste it here. This URL tells Google where to redirect after authorization back to your N8N workspace and click Create. As you can see, we got one of the Google credentials we need. So let's copy this client ID. Go back to N8N and paste it in this field. Now go back to this tab again. Click on N8N Agent. And here's the second credential we need. So let's copy the client secret. Go back to N8N and paste it here. N8N has the credentials now, but we still need to tell Google which specific services it's allowed to use, Google Sheets and Google Drive. Alright, now go back to this tab. Click here. Search for Google Sheet. select the Google Sheets API and enable it. Next, search for Google Drive. Select the Google Drive API and enable it. Without both of these enabled, N8N can't read or write to your Google Sheets or access your Google Drive. Now go to the OAuth consent screen, click Publish, and confirm it. Publishing the consent screen just makes the connection active and usable. Without this, Google would keep it in test mode and it might stop working after a while. Now go back to N8N and click Save to store the credentials. Then click here and sign in with Google. Click here and grant all the permissions. Then click Continue. Now let's close this. And that's it. The Google Sheets connection is now fully set up. Next, we need to add the sheet where you want the results to be stored. To make these things easier, we've created a ready-to-use template that organizes the results for quick access to get the sheet. Click the Sheets link in the description and it will open this template. We'll make a copy of this template to use in our workflow. So let's click Make a Copy. Now this is where all the results from the workflow will get saved. And rename it as YouTube Strategist. Now go back to N8N, click here, and select the Google Sheet we just created, and go back to Canvas. In the same way, we need to configure all the Google Sheet nodes. To do that, just open them one by one. Click here, select your Google Sheet, once that's done, Google Sheets will be successfully connected to N8N. Now let's go to the third step, which is to connect Apify to N8N. Apify is a web scraping tool, and here we are going to use it to scrape and collect real-time YouTube data. So to connect Apify, let's open this node. And this is where we need to add the Apify API key. To get the API key, click the link in the description, and it will take you this page. Let's click Get Started and sign in with our Google account. To use Apify API key, we need to get its subscription. So let's click Upgrade. Here choose a plan that best suits your needs. I'm going to select the starter plan. Now enter your payment details and complete the payment. Once the payment is done, your plan will be upgraded successfully. Alright, now go to Settings, click API and Integrations, and here's the API key we need. So let's copy it, go back to N8N, and replace this placeholder with the API key. Now go back to Canvas. In the same way, you can connect other Apify nodes. Once all the nodes are configured, Apify will be successfully connected to N8N. Just click here to save your workflow. So now we've successfully connected all the required API services to our N8N workflow and it's ready to run. Since our workflow is divided into 5 phases, we'll execute them one by one. So let's start with phase 1, which is the niche outlier. Go to this icon, click Execute Workflow, and this form will pop up. Here, we need to enter 3 high-quality YouTube channel URLs from our niche. Just go to the YouTube channels you like in your niche, copy their URLs, and paste them here. Once you've filled out the form, click Submit, and the workflow will start running in the background. Now go to your Google Sheet. As you can see, we've got details like view count, number of likes, power words used in the titles, and thumbnail analysis of their latest videos. Alright, now let's move to the second phase, which is Broad Niche Weekly. This is where all the new data will be added. Then go back to N8N, open this node, and replace the placeholder text with your niche. For example, I'm going to enter WordPress. Now go back and execute the workflow for phase 2. Once it's done, open your Google Sheet again, and here you'll see insights from the top performing videos in your niche. Next, switch to the Niche Insights tab. Go back to N8N. Here you can see that phase 3, phase 4 and phase 5 are connected. To execute them, we need to add inputs for all 3. So first, open this node and replace the text with your primary niche. I'll enter N8N. Then go back, open this node and replace the text with your channel URL. Once that's done, go back again. Open this node, click here, and replace the text with your channel description. Alright, now close this, go back, and execute the workflow. Once it's done, open your Google Sheet again. In the Niche Insights tab, you'll see insights about videos from your primary niche. If you switch to the Comment Analysis tab, you can see what your audience likes and dislikes about your videos and what changes you can make to improve. In the Ideation tab, you'll find new video ideas with SEO-friendly titles and thumbnail suggestions. Now go back to N8N. If you save this workflow and activate it, Phase 2 will add fresh niche data to your Google Sheet every Sunday, and phases 3, 4 and 5 will add your primary niche insights, comment analysis, and new ideas every day at 6:1 a.m. So that's it guys, this is how you can build your own YouTube Strategist AI agent. Now you can start building this workflow for yourself. Just click here and it'll take you to the page that we saw in the beginning, which was to get the hosting. So go ahead and start creating your workflows. Also, you can get our latest videos directly on WhatsApp. You can just scan the QR or tap the link and hit follow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.